The Chevrolet Monte Carlo is back for 2025. Once a legendary name in the muscle car and NASCAR scenes, the Monte Carlo is making a bold return with a modern twist. This new generation coupe promises to blend Chevrolet's performance heritage with cutting-edge technology, stunning design, and powerful engine options. In this article, we'll explore everything you need to know about the 2025 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, including its design, engine specs, features, and expected release date. A modern take on a classic, the Monte Carlo first appeared in 1970 as a luxurious yet powerful coupe, dominating the muscle car era and NASCAR tracks. Now, Chevrolet is reviving the nameplate with a sleek, futuristic design while maintaining its signature coupe silhouette. Exterior design: aggressive front fascia inspired by classic Monte Carlo models. Sleek LED headlights and a bold grille. Aerodynamic coupe styling with muscular fenders. Large 20-inch alloy wheels for a sporty stance. Signature Monte Carlo badging on the rear. The 2025 Monte Carlo will be available in several exciting colors, including midnight black, torch red, electric blue, and silver ice metallic. Power and performance: a true Chevrolet beast. Chevrolet is expected to offer multiple engine options to cater to different driving enthusiasts. Engine options: 1. 3.6L V6 producing 335 horsepower for a smooth yet powerful drive. 2. 6.2L V8 borrowed from the Camaro, delivering 455 horsepower for muscle car fan. Hybrid powertrain: a turbocharged 2.7L engine with an electric motor for better efficiency and instant torque. All models will come with a 10-speed automatic transmission, with a manual option available for the V8 trim. Rear-wheel drive (RWD) will be standard, while all-wheel drive (AWD) may be available as an option. Expect the Monte Carlo to hit 0 to 60 mph in under 4.5 seconds for the V8 model, making it a serious performance machine. High-tech interior with racing DNA. Inside, the 2025 Chevrolet Monte Carlo combines luxury, technology, and sportiness. Interior highlights: 12.3-inch digital driver display. 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium leather seats with red contrast stitching. Bose premium audio system for an immersive sound experience. Racing-inspired steering wheel with paddle shifters. Wireless charging and multiple USB-C ports. Chevrolet will also include advanced driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera system. Release date and expected price. The 2025 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is expected to launch in late 2024 or early 2025. Pricing is estimated to start at $40,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching up to $60,000 for the V8-powered SS variant. Monte Carlo for the future. The return of the 2025 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is exciting news for muscle car enthusiasts and Chevrolet fans. With a modern design, powerful engine options, and advanced technology, this coupe is set to take on rivals like the Ford Mustang, Dodge Challenger, and Nissan Z. Are you excited about the 2025 Monte Carlo? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest car.